Alone. Okay. Good morning, children. Today, now we discuss about the second equation of the motion. Already first equation we discussed it, and we got the very clearly in that terms and etc. Just I will write the first equation. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation. So this equation is already discussed. Just I written. Now we have to derive the second equation. So how do you derive the second equation? If you want to derive the second equation, first I will write the formula. So what is the average velocity? So average velocity average velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement by time taken means time. But do you know average velocity? How do you find the average velocity? So actually velocities are two. Initially velocity is u, finally velocity is v. So average of the uv, what happened? U plus v by 2. Just here I am taking as average of the velocities. So one is the initially, one is the finally. So average velocity u plus v by 2 is equal to, so displacement by time, actually a distance traveled. So that is we can take as a s, displacement to take as a s by time as a t. Yeah. Now here see once again here, u plus v by 2 is equal to s by t, but we know very well v is equal to u plus at from the equation 1. Already equation 1 we derived, use that equation. So just have to substitute in the place of the v, u plus at. See here, so u means u only got u plus v nothing but from the equation 1, v is equal to u plus ad. Just have to substitute in the place of the v, right, u plus a t by 2 as is equal to s by t. Yeah. So how do you get this above the equation, above the terms? Just to here we substitute the v value. So here, right, mention very clearly if you have confusion, from equation 1, first law, from the motion, the first equation. Now u plus u, 2u, just I am adding u plus u, I am writing as a 2u plus at as it is, at by 2 is equal to s by t as it is I am writing. These two separate, 2u by 2 plus at by 2, 2u by 2 plus at by 2 is equal to s by t. Here 2 cancel. After the cancellation, u plus a t by 2 is equal to s by t. In the right side t is there, this t is coming this side, multiplication. So u plus a t by 2 into t is equal to s. Yes. Here so t into u, ut plus multiplication, just t into u, ut plus t into at, t into at, a as it is, t into t, t square by 2 is equal to s. So ut plus, here by 2 you can write, so before just 1 by 2, so ut plus 1 by 2 nothing means right side by 2 of at square. At square is equal to s. Now writing this formula, first s before and the RHS part right starting, then this is the left side. So s is equal to, here I am writing first s is equal to ut plus of at square. S is equal to ut plus of at square. Yeah. So this is our second formula. So motions of the equations, like the second equation. The first equation we got it in the previous classes. That is v is equal to u plus at. But second equation we derive. Simply I will say how to derive the equation 2. Just I am taking as a average velocity. So average velocity formula do you know? Displacement by time. So average velocity means we have two velocities, u and v. Average means sum of the, so observation by number of observations. We have two observations. One is a u, one is a v. So u plus v by 2 is equal to s by t. But from the equation 1, v is equal to u plus at. That value have to substitute in the place of the v. So u plus, in the place of the v, u plus at by 2 is equal to s by t. Now simplification. Finally we got it, the s is equal to ut plus of at square. This is the, so law of the motion of the equations is second equation. Yes. Okay. So ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే జస్ట్గా వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఓకే.